The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, 4-channel relay, connecting cable, connecting wires and 4 bulbs.
Now log into the blynk.cloud website. Then go to developer zone and click on new template. Here give the template name. Home automation using ESP32. And select the hardware as ESP32 and connection type as Wi-Fi. Then click on the done button. Then go to data streams and create 4 variables. Click new data stream and select virtual pin. And select the first pin as light 1 and the pin number as V1. If you want, you can change the color. Then click on the create button. And now create the second one. Here also you need to select virtual pin and the pin name is light 2 and the pin number is V2. Again click create. Now create the third one. Here the name is light 3 and the pin number is V3 and click on the create button. And now the final one. Here the name is light 4 and the pin number is V4 and click create button. Now go to web dashboard and drag 4 switch widgets. Now go to the settings of the first switch and select the data stream. Here we can select light 1 and click save. Now go to the settings of second one and here select light 2 and then third one. Here select the light 3 data stream and click save. And now the final one. Here select light 4 and then click on the save button. Now we can save the template. Now go to devices. Here click new device and then click from template. Here select the template name. It will show the template which we created. And then click on the create button. Now copy this template ID, template name and authentication token and paste in our program. And then enter the Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password. Now we can upload the program to the ESP32 board. Now select the board from Tools, Board, ESP32 Arduino, and select the model as ESP32 Dev module. And then select the port. And now click this arrow button and upload the program to the ESP32 board. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board.
Now we can set up the Blynk mobile dashboard. For that, download the Blynk IoT application from the Play Store. Now once you open the application, you can see the template which you created from the Blynk web dashboard. Now click on the template and select the settings icon. Then click on the plus button and add 4 button widgets. Now click on the first button and here select the data stream light 1 and select the button mode as switch. Then go back and select the second button and here select the data stream as light 2 and also button name as button mode as switch. Go back and select the third button and here we need to select the data stream as light 3 and button mode as switch and the final one. Here the data stream is light 4 and again we need to select button mode as switch for this one. Now go back. Now again click the back button. Now the setup is completed and now we can check the output.